Hey guys, what's up? I know I did not film a video last week and I'm sorry about that. I'm kind of trying to work out my new filming schedule around everything else I'm doing. So you guys just please bear with me while I try and figure that out. But today I thought it would be really fun to film a Valentine's tutorial since Valentine's Day is coming up in a week or so. So let's get started. To start off, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Professional Ultra HD Foundation. I'm going to put that on the back of my hand and use my Sedona Lace 928 brush to blend. What are you guys going to do for Valentine's Day? What kind of dates are you going to be going on? Or if you're single, what are you going to do? Are you going to hang out with your friends? Or is that just kind of another day to you? I know, honestly, even having a fiance, we kind of go out for dinner or something, but we don't do anything like that special for Valentine's Day most of the time. And we probably won't go out on Valentine's Day because it'll be so crowded. And that's a hassle in general. And also where I have anxiety, I hate being in big crowds. So I would much rather wait until later to go out. So we're going to go out for dinner one night, but we're definitely not going out Valentine's night. Unless we get takeout and bring it home. Next up, I'm going to take my NYX Full Coverage Concealer and I'm just going to put that all over my face. Like on any red or spotty areas and under my eyes. And then I'm going to actually use my Sedona 928 brush to blend that as well. Normally I would use a beauty blender, but I actually need to buy some new ones because my other ones have gotten really dirty and I just don't want to use them anymore. But I haven't purchased new ones yet. And I can't figure out how to get those clean other than buying new ones. So next up I'm going to use an Urban Decay primer. And I'm just going to put that all over my eyelids. When you use a primer, you just want to make sure that it's all blended well and dried before you start your eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to take the Urban Decay Fireball eyeshadow. And I'm going to take my Bugatti Paris eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to apply this all over my lid. This is a really cool eyeshadow because it changes colors based on your perspective. So it's like a pink, but it's also a peachy color. After I apply that, I'm going to take a Elizabeth Mott blending brush and I'm going to take my NYX Bedroom Eyes eyeshadow and I'm going to use that to blend out. I'm also going to take Bedroom Eyes with my Vera Mona smudger brush and I'm going to put it under my eyes as well. After I'm done with that, I'm going to take my M Princess eyeshadow in Biscuit, and I'm just going to use that to highlight. After I've highlighted, I'm going to take my eyelash curler and curl my lashes. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline The Falsies mascara and use that on my tops and bottom lashes. Once I do that, I'm going to curl again. I've curled my lashes. I'm going to take my Bye Bye Pores pressed powder and use that all over my face. After that, I'm going to take my Benefit Hoola Bronzer and use that to contour. Since I'm not using a beauty blender right now, I'm actually just going to blend that with my fingers a little bit. Probably not the most professional way to do it, but it works. After I do that, I'm going to take my Luxie blush brush and my Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Quirky. I'm going to apply that to my cheeks. Next up, I'm going to take another Luxie brush and I'm going to take my Laura Mercier highlighter and I'm just going to use that to highlight my face. As you guys know, this is my absolute favorite highlighter. After that, I'm going to take my Smashbox lipstick in Legendary and I'm going to apply that all over my lips. And this, guys, is the finished product. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I hope you guys have an awesome Valentine's Day, whether you're single or in a relationship. You know, if you're single, go have a good time with your friends or something. And if you're in a relationship, let me know what kind of dates and stuff that you're going to do. I hope that you guys have an awesome rest of the day. Bye, guys!